Good morning everyone. My name is Lizel Andukusin from That But To Be. Today, I will be discussing the topic A, the globalization. Globalization refers to the process by which nations become more interconnected and interdependent through increases economic, political, cultural, and technological exchanges. According to our module, it involves the integration of markets, the movement of people, goods, and ideas, and the rapid spread of innovation across borders, bringing people together. Globalization helps people from different cultures connect with each other. This means we can share ideas, tradition, and experience, making the world feel more united and understanding. So, dahil sa globalization, mas nagkakaroon tayo ng ugnayan sa mga tao mula sa iba't ibang bansa. Kumbaga, makapagbabahagi tayo ng mga idea, culture, and karanasan natin. Number 2, better healthcare. Globalization makes it easier for countries to share medical knowledge and supplies. This helps more people get access to better healthcare, medicines, and treatments, especially in places where they might not have been available before. So, dahil dito, mas maraming tao ang natutulungan at nabibigyan ng mga gamot or mga paggamot. More job opportunities. As businesses grow and connect globally, they create jobs in different countries. This gives people in developing regions the chance to work for companies with better pay and work conditions, improving their quality of life. Nakakatulong ito sa mga tao, lalo na sa mga mahirap na lugar para kumita ng magandang buhay. Number 4, cultural exchange. Thanks to globalization, we can experience different cultures without traveling. People can enjoy food, music, movies, and traditions from other parts of the world, which enriches our daily lives. So globalization, na-enjoy natin yung mga culture ng iba't ibang bansa, kahit nasa bahay lang tayo, and tulad ng pagkain, music, and mga palabas. Here are the negative effects of globalization. Number 1, sweet shop. A shop or factory in which employees work for long hours at low wage and under unhealthy conditions. Ito yung mga pabrika kung saan pinagtatrabaho ang mga tao ng matagal pero maliit lang yung mga sahod nila and mahirap ang mga kondisyon. Number 2, brain drain. The immigration of highly trained or intelligent people from a particular country. Umaalis ang mga matatalinong tao tulad ng doktor, guro para magtrabaho sa ibang bansa kaya kulang sila sa sariling bansa. 3. Effect on environmental degradation. Environmental degradation is a result of dynamic interplay of socio-economic, institutional, and technological activities. Dahil sa sobrang negosyo at paggawa ng produkto, nasisira yung mga kalikasan tulad ng pagkalbo ng Number 4, food security. Food security is the measure of an individual's ability to access food that is nutritious and sufficient. Drug illicit goods trades. A global illicit trade involving the cultivation, manufacture, distribution, and sale of substances which are subject to the drug prohibition laws.